Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Russian Easily. Channel where we're helping you to learn Russian. Today we will be talking about Russian prepositions. Very little things, but very important things. We will consider three different prepositions: благодаря, из-за, and от. These three prepositions are sometimes confused because they have very similar meanings. But of course they are different and they're used in different contexts and they take different cases after them. So it is very important not to confuse them. Let's try to understand where which preposition is necessary and what the difference between them is. Let's start. Our first preposition is благодаря. Благодаря. Thank to. Благодаря requires дательный падеж, dative case. Благодаря кому? Благодаря чему? For example, благодаря теплому лету у нас хороший урожай. Благодаря теплому лету у нас хороший урожай. Thanks to the good summer, we have good harvest. Благодаря. Thank to. It is used to talk about some positive causes, things which caused something positive. Благодаря теплому лету. Благодаря твоей помощи. Thank to your help. As an opposition to благодаря, which is positive, из-за is negative. Из-за, because of. It takes genitive case, родительный падеж, and talks about negative causes, things which caused something unwanted, something negative. For example, из-за дождя матч отменили. Because of the rain, the match was cancelled. Из-за дождя матч отменили. Из-за дождя. Из-за снега. Because of the snow. And finally, preposition от. It is translated as because of, similar to из-за. But unlike из-за, which is negative, от is neutral. So, благодаря was positive, из-за was negative. От is a neutral preposition which talks about causes and reasons. For example, я проснулся от громкого стука. I woke up because of the loud knocking. Я проснулся от громкого стука. It was not negative. It was not positive. It was just the cause of me waking up. От also takes genitive. It requires родительный падеж. От громкого стука. Or от волнения, because of the excitement. От волнения я не мог заснуть. So let's recap everything we spoke about. We mentioned three different prepositions. Preposition благодаря, which is thank to. It is positive and it requires dative case. The second preposition was из-за, which is negative, and it requires genitive case. And our third preposition was от, which is neutral, and it requires genitive case too. Hope this information was helpful. Thank you for your attention. Learn Russian and follow our videos. Bye!